Within Now Reach Softphone, you can select and update your activity. Your activity is a way to let your team members know what you are up to. It is a good indicator for them whether to communicate with you now or wait till later. It can also be used to route calls in the call routing rules. If you wanted to set up a quick diversion to a phone number based on your activity, you would do this under Tools, and then select Activity Diversion. The Activity Diversion screen will appear. Click on the plus sign to add. On the right, select your activity from the drop-down menu. Then enter the number you would like to divert to in the Activity Diversion field. You can enter an internal extension here or an external number. If you are entering an external number that is outside your local region, remember to enter the area code. If you are dialing an international number, enter the international code, as example 0061, then the number. Then click on the Save button. From then on, when you select that activity in your Softphone, your calls will divert to the number you entered. Once you have created activity diversions, you can see them listed on the left of the screen. You can scroll down to see all the diversions. If you select a diversion, you can alter it and then save the changes. Or you can delete it with the Delete button. You will be prompted with a warning, and if you select Yes, the system will delete the activity diversion. Click on the X button to close the Activity Diversions window.